Hi, I'm Elizabeth Mayhew, and I'm here to tell you how to get a delicious, healthy meal on the table in just minutes that your whole family is going to love. Brand new are these sauté kits from Fresh Express. Absolutely delicious. You find them in the grocery store in the fresh produce aisle. They are pre-done, pre-cleaned, pre-sliced, pre-packaged vegetables in all those delicious vegetables that we've been told to eat, like kale and spinach and broccoli, all done ready for you. So all you have to do is heat a saute pan over medium-high heat. Go ahead, add a little bit of oil, like a tablespoon and a half, add the vegetables, saute them for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, add the sauce. You can top them with whatever protein you want, shrimp, chicken, and you've got a one-dish meal. Your family is going to love them. They come in 4 flavors that are chef-inspired, restaurant-ready: lemon garlic, teriyaki, lemon pesto, and bacon cider. Again, you find them in the grocery store. They are fresh and delicious. They're only $3.99, and you can have a dinner for your entire family, no problem. So for more information, go to freshexpress.com or follow along at Your Fresh Express Salad. You're going to love it.